So, one of the fun things about maritime law is that the cases tend to be handled by lawyers who regularly handle them. And so, you're dealing with other lawyers and judges who are familiar with what the circumstances are that lead to these cases and what the legal law is when we get together with a judge first time for a case. It's called a status conference, and the judge will typically want to know what the case is about. And so they'll be called up and they'll say, "Well, Mr. Nader, what's the case about?" So, well, it's a fish on the head case, Judge. Uh, so, and you can sometimes hear a chuckle in the courtroom. In that context, the judge will know. So does the defense lawyer know what we're talking about. In the commercial fishing industry, in tuna, when they are bringing in the net, they've got a school of tuna in their net and they're bringing the net back on. The net comes back onto the boat through a power block, which is 30 or 40 feet above the deck. And sometimes a big tuna will get caught in the net. And if it goes through the power block, it's going to likely get kicked out of that and can land on one of the fishermen who's working on the deck, stacking the net below the power block. As an accident that happens repeatedly, so in the industry, gets to be called just a fish on head case. That's kind of just a fun anecdote, but the truth behind it is that because we handle these cases frequently and end up with these shorthand descriptions for the cases, and so you come to know the circumstances under which these injuries happen and the law, the legal framework to analyze them. That's why there is this little specialty for maritime injury lawyers.